Hey y'all, good morning. Y'all, happy Wednesday. Everyone's gone. Babes at work, kids at school. Me and 11 is in here, right? 11, hey 11. I'm about to hop on the charts. And y'all, this time I said I was gonna give y'all a whole top-down analysis because I want y'all to see what I'm seeing and I want y'all to be able to understand it. So just take a trade with me. Like I promised, I'm here to take a trade with y'all. I'm not making this a habit, okay? But I am starting to share my weekly, I've been sharing my daily profits on TikTok in the TikTok story, but I actually have one post dedicated to last week's profit, starting from $38, y'all. And yes, $38. Bought my account up from $38 and now I'm in the hundreds, okay? So y'all gonna take this trade with me today. I already have my tea. I drink green tea every morning, y'all. I did my Bible study already, which is right there. I do my Bible studies every morning. So that's my routine. And now we're gonna hop on the charts. All right, so the first thing I do, y'all, is I come over to Forex Factory and we are checking for, let's open this up. We'll check for any red folders, which we do have, but it already happened at 8:30. So we had news at 8:30. Red folders is like, from what I was trained, is very important. Pay attention to red folders and also FOMC days. So we have basically news at 10, 10:15, 10:30, 1 o'clock, and that's it. And 2 and 4. Geez. Okay, so this is basically a news day. So this might be a little iffy today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna actually take a trade. I don't know. We'll see. But when it's news like this, like it be having the markets look so crazy, like everything be so choppy, ain't nobody got time. So then I come over to here. I'm doing it on Thinkorswim, y'all. But here's the chart. So I don't start on the 15. I actually start all the way on the daily. I come to the daily and just look at what I see recently. So as you can see, coming from, I don't really be looking at all of this, but I try to look at the current, like what's going on like right in this area. So as I can see, the market is struggling to make a new high, basically, so far. I'm going to say so far is struggling to make a new high. Yes, it came up to here, but it actually closed down here and kept getting lower. They tried to push up, but, you know, they weren't able to make up, making it come all the way down here. So telling me it's still in a bearish market. And the fact that we didn't create any new highs, like from last week, starting on the 2nd, if you look at the bottom. You also could look up here, like as I move the cursor, like the dates change or whatever, the dates and how high it got, how low it got, and things like that. So this was 2-2 last week, and it still didn't create any new highs. So the market is still bearish no matter what. So then after I come from the daily for my confirmation of where the market is heading, which is down, I come up and go, oh, sorry, this was actually the weekly, y'all. Sorry, but it's still showing that. That's good. But now this is the daily. It got up here on November the 12th, 2025, but it closed down here. It got up to 32.73, but closed down here. And from here on, they failed to like make any new highs, like basically. You see that? It tried to come up, but really didn't. Came down lower, dropped all the way down here. And now I feel like right here was the support, and it broke out of the support below that and actually stayed below that. And you see right here, if I zoom in, let's do that. I don't know why I'm making y'all squint your eyes. I just want to try to see the overall picture. It's still failing to make any new high highs. This is like really steep, still closing below this. So this is indicating to me that they just struggling. Buyers are struggling to even create new high highs. So that's not going to change my bias. I'm looking for puts only today, and that's all dependent on how the markets look and what it shows me, because it is news day, okay? And news, it could be real crazy. So now we're going to jump down to our 4 hour after the daily. And I just jumped down here for confirmation, which, yes, my confirmation is right. Yeah, it tried all of this. So it's just getting some juice from them right here, letting the buyers think like, you know, they got it. but they still didn't close above this line. So right now, this is the resistance. So sellers are sitting right here, looking to keep pushing lower. So as you can see, starting from over here, it came all the way down here first of all. Buyers came in, still couldn't create that new high out of here. So that's the 4 hour. Then I jumped down to the 1 hour, which I mainly stay in between the 1 hour and the 15 minute as I go along. So again, with the 1 hour, you see the marks are still the same. That means it's just staying in this range, y'all. I'm just looking for consolidation areas, which is this right here, consolidation areas and breakouts. It is 9:24 a.m. February 11th, and we're gonna see how this play out. So let's go down to our 15-minute time chart. Look at that. See, that second candle easily could have been a boom up, indicating like, yeah, we want to go up. But we're going to see, because if it keeps playing around in this area on the 15-minute, I will not be trading. Like I said, I want to see a breakout to the downside, not to the upside. I don't even care what it's doing on the upside. So we'll come back at market open. We got 5 more minutes to market open. So let's come back after market open. 1 minute to market open. Matter of fact, let me screen record on my phone, so that way y'all can see how I take the trade on Webull. Yeah, and I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that bell scares the crap out of me every morning, like literally. But you see, it's showing that supposedly sellers are in the game. And remember, we are waiting on a break and a hold. So even after it breaks, y'all, like I don't just go off the 9:30 candle itself. I let it break, and then I'll take let that second candle tell me what it want to do. So we just wait patiently. All right, you see a break. Let's see. We're not getting in on this candle. We're gonna let me zoom out a little bit so y'all get to see exactly what's going on. Because it could play around that area all day, y'all. And that could be the trickery. Y'all see how buyers are starting to come back in? And that's why you kind of wait and see like what the decision is. Because remember, wicks are mostly, it's just letting you know that it's a fight going on. This was a fight right here. And then when it closed the body, which is this full thing, it just lets you know who won the fight, basically. Okay? So just think of it that way. But let's watch this play out. Like I said, if it dances around in that area, I am not taking a trade today. And I'm giving the charts until maybe 11. Because remember, we had the news at 10:30. And then after that, so after 10:30, it will be okay. But I don't know, because it's just a news day. Like, and when it's a news day, it's just really tricky, and nobody got time for no trickiness today. Not today, honey. Y'all, if y'all feel like this time frame is like taking a little bit too long to y'all, I just like it because it's less noise, it's less everything. Y'all can go down to the 5, but that's the lowest that I would go. You want to go down to the 5, see, this is showing the actual green candle coming in. And if you want to go down to the 5 and see what's going on, you can do that too, you know, just to take your entries off of. As you can see, it came down, which it created a new low from here. It came down here to 2064. Now we're going to see how this second candle closed, which would be the 940 candle, well, the 945 on the 15. But I hope I'm explaining that right. Like, I'm not good at teaching this stuff. This is why I'm not thinking even about getting a Discord. I know I said in my first video that not chat and stuff like that, but I don't think I want one. I'm just here to trade. I'm just here to trade. And I mean, advice, yes, I could do like little videos like this. I don't want to have a whole team of people that I'm like that's like banking on me. You get what I'm saying? Like, I'll show y'all what I do. And if y'all want me to show y'all what I do on a weekly basis, that's fine. But yeah, doing it every day and having like the Discord every day, I don't think I would be comfortable. First of all, I have a lot going on. I have kids and stuff. I have a family and things like, oh, you see that close, y'all? I think I'm about to take this trade. Because, yeah, just closing like that. Sorry, I just changed the subject. But if it's closing like that, we are, yeah, it's struggling. Like buyers are struggling because sellers is in the building. Sellers is like, yeah, like what you doing? So let's see, go back to the 15 minute to see if the second candle formed on the 15 minute. And see, that second candle still didn't form on the 15 minute. Ooh, where am I going? It's just a strong close outside of it, which is good. Go back to the 5 minute. Okay. You definitely want to get in on a pullback. And I am going to do one contract as a buy. And which I kind of entered in a little late. I should have just got in when I said I was. And yeah. So now, oh, I put it as a, Lord, get out, honey. Oh, y'all. See, this is why I can't. This is why I said I can't, because look, I'm putting in the wrong thing. I'm glad I put in one contract. Jeez. Y'all, I just put it in as a call instead of a put. It's because I'm trying to do two things at once. I'm recording on my phone, doing a screen record, which is okay. Let me just, oh, Lord Jesus. Maybe that was God, because look what it's doing now. It's trying to get up there, but it's not going to get up there. It's just going to have a lower, because this just created a lower 2064, 2057, and now it's grabbing, you know, the buyers think they, you know, in there. As long as it don't close above here, y'all, I'm going to get back in and take it back down. That is crazy. Well, maybe that was God, y'all, for real. You see, this is why I've said I can't do the whole, oh, trade with me, Discord this, Discord that. Like, like, no. That is funny. I'm like, what am I doing? Why is it turning red? Lord, help me, Jesus. Help me. See, this is how it's closing on the, let's see. This is the 15 minute. Yeah, this is 15 minute. Okay, girl, pay attention. I tell myself that. Let me know if y'all like this, for real, because if not, then I will not. I will save my precious time and I will not do videos like this, okay? But if you like the chart videos like this, like taking it with me, then I'll continue to show you. But if not, then I won't. Alright, so I'm about to take this trade, y'all, on that, the way that's closing. I just took it and I'm watching what happens. My goal is 10 to 15. Wait, because I'm at 100. I said 10 to, did I say 10 to 15? I might be at 10 to 15. Because my first goal, because I was only at $38, it was 5 to 10%. And now I'm at 100. So my goal is 10 to 15%. And right now, actually, I am at my 12, 14%. I'm almost at my 15%. So I might be closing this out. But yeah, so this is what I do every day, y'all. And just watch the candles, the bodies. Because remember, the body tells you who won the fight. The wick tells you, you know, who was in the fight. Like the sellers and the buyers was in the fight at this point. And it looks like, you know, the buyers is trying to win over, but the sellers is like, nah, we in here. Like, you know what I'm saying? So just to put it in that concept. This is why I like watching on the 5 minute and the 15. Because look on the 15 minute chart shows you less noise. You get what I'm saying? So it helps. So this is why I stay on the higher time frames and just watch the candles play out. And also, just take your time with it. Trading is not hard, y'all. I feel like everything, all the noise and everybody with the discourse and stuff, they just make it sound complicated, because some of them is just technically after your money, and it's sad to say. Their goal is to, where the money at? You know what I'm saying? Not really just telling you, like, it's just this simple, y'all. Don't make it hard. But that's about it. So this is the charts, and yeah, I'm about to close my trade, and I'll show y'all on my screen record of what I'm closing at. And after doing that mistake, yeah, I'm so bad at myself for doing that. I was not paying attention. I'm not even gonna lie, I wasn't paying attention. But coming from 135, so I need to say, because take away the 2, honey, I'm coming from 133, and now I'll show y'all what I closed at or whatever the case is. But I hope this video helps. Let me know if y'all, like I said, if y'all want more of these videos, or if not, I'll just stick to my, my routine of loneliness of trading. Right, y'all. So that was a good trade. I am done for the day. It is 10:27. I told y'all I don't want to be on these charts all day. It's 10:27. So this is where the part that we all need to do, okay? After we take our trade and we politely step aside, we got our trade for today. Thank you, Lord, in the name of Jesus. So here's what we do. I just wanted to show y'all. Oh, and by the way, y'all, look at how low it dropped. Look how low it dropped, y'all. Crazy, right? But anyway, so now we come up here. Yeah, and then we do this. Yeah, so I'm about to put my stuff away, and I actually have to wash clothes and things like that. So that's what I'm gonna do now. That's it, y'all. That's it. I just wanted to tell you that. Okay, bye.